Okay, so we're going to log into Vumber as normal, and we'll get to our call list. On the top left of the hamburger there, we're going to hit tap, and you'll see a menu selection of items, and we're going to choose My Numbers. So we'll tap on My Numbers, and now we'll see a list of our Vumber numbers and the ability to configure each. We're going to search here for our 404 number. There, 404. I'm going to hit configure to configure that number. Okay, and these are all the configuration options for this number, and you'll see there in the bottom left, voicemail. So we'll tap on that. We've got a few options at this stage. We can do a voice recording, we can do a text to speech, or we can load from a file. We've also got the option of deleting the existing greeting in place. So what we'll do on this occasion is create a new recording. So we're going to hit the record button. At the top there, you'll see a counter which displays the length of the greeting that we're going to create. And below that, the big red button is where we hit to start. So let's hit that red button. Hi, this is Phil. Please leave a message after the tone. And I hit stop there to stop the recording. And you see we've got a 6-second message. And we have the option of saving or cancelling. So we're going to go ahead and save that. The file will be uploaded to the server. Okay, that's done. Here we have the option of listening back to the message that we recorded.
Hi, this is Phil. Please leave a message after the tone.
So that's it. That voicemail greeting we've recorded is now playing to our customers on the 404 number.